From Apple iOS, you can print from most applications to a wireless HP printer. First, make sure your printer is powered on and connected to a wireless network. On your Apple iOS device, open Wi-Fi settings and make sure you are connected to the same wireless network as the printer. Open the document, photo, email, or web page you want to print, and then tap the Share icon. Tap Print or the Print icon. Tap Select Printer and select your printer. Change any desired print settings and then tap Print. The item prints according to your settings.
Before heading ahead into the video, in case you are facing any issue with your Netgear range extender device, get in touch with our Netgear experts. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to smash that like button and hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of our videos, and in the case face any problem, get in touch with the experts.